What's good, y'all? Demoralized here. Hope y'all doing well. Today we're gonna be reviewing the 93 octane race tune from Breenspeed. I was about to say Bama, but you know we don't go Bama out here. So yeah, I got the Breenspeed 93 race tune, and I know when I installed it, I said I was gonna do a review like a week after I did it, but it's been about 2-3 weeks now. I just wanted to make sure I had a full understanding and could explain the differences I felt from it. So before we get into the video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And let's talk about this tune. All right, I am gonna have to talk a little bit louder because I don't have an external mic or anything. So I'm about like 10 feet from the camera, so I'm gonna have to project a little bit louder. But the first thing I've noticed performance-wise about this tune is the throttle response was so much better. So apparently the 3 valves in general were tuned very conservatively by Ford out of factory. So like there was a pedal delay, you know, obviously they do make the same power as a 3.7 V6. So like, I mean, 300 horsepower, you know, 10 years ago was pretty wild, but I mean now, you know, it's basic, you know, anyone could achieve that. So the pedal response and the performance of the car overall has been woken up a little bit. For those who don't know, I am catless H-pipe, pipe bomb axleback, JLT intake, and obviously the tune now. So that's the setup I'm running currently. Obviously some more bolt-ons and stuff are coming down the line. For the setup I have right now, I would estimate I'm probably about 300 wheel horsepower, probably same torque range, 300, 310, somewhere in there. So performance-wise, the car has woken up a lot, and I do like the performance gains. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but for this next one, I want to talk about the gas mileage. A lot of people say when you get a tune, you know, it's gonna help with the gas mileage. And unfortunately, I don't have the, you know, the clusters and all that tell me, you know, how many miles till E and all that. On the old car, I had that, which was amazing. But on this one, I don't have it. So I can't estimate how well my gas mileage has increased. I will say it definitely did perform better because before I was tuned, I was a catless exhaust already. So I was running that with no tune, so I had no rear O2 sensors plugged in. I have a heat bank sensor 1 code, so that was affecting my gas mileage. I still have that heat bank sensor code, as you can see. That's the only light I have on. Could be a bad O2 sensor. I don't know. But once the rear O2s got tuned off, my gas mileage shot up. It improved a lot. So I will say I can't tell you exactly how much my gas mileage did increase, but it definitely did improve once I flashed this tune on there. And then, you know, I just data log, or I run the car isn't on, but you can like run all the temps and gauges and all that, and that's what I just had this for. I would 100% recommend getting the SET tuner mount. I got mine off American Muscle. It was like 20 bucks, and I would definitely recommend it because I was like holding this thing like in my lap, and you know, I was like wrap around here. So I would definitely recommend getting the mount and doing that because it just slides right in. So it's a basic stick it on your windshield and slide down there. But yeah, 93 octane tune from Breenspeed definitely helped my gas mileage. I know I need to probably get a full tank. I'm going to a meet tonight, so I'm definitely gonna need to gas up. Lastly, I want to talk about, did it change the sound of my exhaust? Some people are like, oh, I got an intake and tune and you know, my exhaust got louder. I mean, I don't remember what my RPMs were set at before the tune. Now they're set about at 750. It normally idles around 700, 750. Once it's fully warmed up, once on cold starts, it'll shoot up to like 1500, 1600, maybe even higher on a really cold day. But I mean, my exhaust note's about the same. It doesn't sound any different. I mean, the tune has woke up my car, but I mean, the exhaust is gonna stay the same. Maybe if I wasn't catless and it was just the axle back and I did the intake, maybe I could tell a difference. But I mean, I already had a mid pipe and the cat delete and all that, so I'm not gonna be able to tell a true difference on if the intake and tune, you know, made a difference on my exhaust note. All right, I wish there was a way like you guys could like legitimately like feel the difference of before and after. Obviously, if you guys do have a 3 valve or any Mustang or any car that you've tuned, you can definitely feel the difference of before and after. But I mean, for my car, I can't hop in here and do, you know, like driving around town and be like, yo, this car rips, you know, because you guys won't be able to like truly feel how or what I'm feeling. But yeah, I mean, the tune's definitely worth it. If you have a 3 valve and you're considering, you know, multiple tuners, I would definitely put Breenspeed on the list over like Bama or any of those like companies like that. The only tuners I was considering was Breenspeed and Lido. Those are the only considerations I was doing, and I don't regret going with Breenspeed. Great company, you know, they were super fast. Customer service was really good. I called them, they were super responsive. Email, you know, everything went swell with them, and I had no issues whatsoever with them. So if you guys do have a 3-valve, like I said, and you know, you just want a good email tune, definitely hit up Breenspeed. They are good people over there, and they'll get you straight. But that's it for my review today, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.